Hello, if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. This is I Am Math. Happy to have you. In today's lecture, we're going to be looking at the Laplace Transform. And specifically, we're going to take a look at a very simple example. Let's begin. The Laplace Transform, L as a function f of t, is defined as the integral from 0 to infinity of f of t multiplied by e to the minus s of t dt. And this is equal to capital F of s. So the Laplace transform of function f of t is given by this and is equal to f of s. So we're going to be looking at one example, and the example is, let us find the Laplace transform of a constant a, where f of t is just a. We write the integral from 0 to infinity, f of t, which is a, multiplied by e minus s of t dt. If we continue that, we can pull out the a and write that's the integral from 0 to infinity, e minus s of t dt. Now, we need to find the integral of e to the minus s of t. Recall that the derivative of a function e to the minus s of t is minus s e minus s of t. Therefore, the integral of e to the minus s of t dt is going to be e to the minus s of t all over minus s, where in the derivative we multiplied by minus s, and to counter that in integration we divide by minus s. Therefore, if we continue, we have a, the integral from 0 to infinity e to the minus s of t dt, which we said was a, and the integral of e to the minus s of t is right here, minus 1 over s e to the minus s of t, going from 0 to infinity. Now, to simplify things, we can pull out the minus 1 over s and the a, and we're left with evaluating this integral from 0 to infinity here. If we write this as b and this as a, we have to substitute the limits. Recall that the function e to the minus s of t goes like this. So as t increases to infinity, then e to the minus s of t tends to 0. Therefore, if we substitute infinity into e to the minus s of t, that's going to be 0. So we have minus 1 over s multiplied by a, 0, minus, and then e to the minus s of 0, for t is 0. Then we have minus 1 over s times a, and then anything to the power of 0 is 1, so this is minus 1. Therefore, our answer is a over s. In other words, if a is 1, the Laplacian of the constant function 1 is just 1 over s. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please click like, subscribe, and comment below. In future lessons, I'll continue with other more complex examples of the Laplace transform. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.